Want to make smarter, faster investing decisions using AI? Robot, today I'll show you how to amplify your investment strategy step by step using real AI tools you can start with today. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to level up your strategy with tech. AI doesn't predict the market perfectly, but it analyzes patterns, trends, and data way faster than we can. It can scan charts, read earnings reports, summarize news, and even generate trading strategies using tools like ChatGPT. Tools mentioned are ChatGPT, FinnGPT, and Yahoo Finance plus AI plugins. Ask ChatGPT or AI tools to summarize recent news sentiment about Tesla stock. You can also ask if the current outlook for Nvidia is bullish or bearish. Bonus tip: use Google Bard, FinnChat.io, or ChatGPT with a browser plugin to analyze live headlines or tweets. Now, let's build a smart strategy using ChatGPT or PineScript. Ask ChatGPT to build a TradingView PineScript strategy using VWAP plus RSI. Copy the code to TradingView's PineScript editor. Backtest your strategy and adjust variables like risk percent, stop loss, and entry rules. This saves hours of coding. AI adapts quickly to your requests. You stay in control of what gets used. Next, use AI to backtest your portfolio with Portfolio Visualizer. You can also get help from ChatGPT, simulate performance of $10,000 invested in AAPL, TSLA, and QQQ since 2010 with quarterly rebalancing. You can ask AI to suggest diversification by asking for a balanced portfolio of 5 ETFs for growth and stability. Let's automate alerts and insights. Set up TradingView alerts triggered by AI-generated strategies. You can use Notion, Zapier, and ChatGPT to build your stock note dashboards. Get AI-generated earnings summaries emailed weekly. For example, notify me when RSI is below 30 and price hits VWAP on AAPL. You don't need to be a data scientist to use AI in your investments. You just need to know how to ask the right questions, and let the machine crunch the numbers. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what AI tools you have tried in your investing journey.